Welcome, my dear students. Welcome, my dear students. I will teach you about the combination of resistors. How the resistors, different resistors are combined in a circuit. The topic will be the combination of resistor. As we have seen from the Ohm's law, current, potential difference and resistance are interrelated. If we would like to change the current in a circuit when potential supplied by the battery is constant, then we need to vary resistance of the circuit, which may be done by combining resistances in series or parallel. If resistance are connected in series, then total resistance of the combination increases, and if resistances are connected in parallel, then total resistance would be decreases. If combination is parallel, the net resistance offered by the combination is less. To understand this, we will discuss about the series and parallel combination of resistors. There is broadly two groups of combination of resistors. First one is series combination and second one is parallel combination. Series combination, in series combination, resistors are said to be connected in series between 2 points if there is only one path for current to flow between these 2 points. If the current has a single path between the 2 points, then resistors are said to be connected in parallel. Or you may write, or you may say, when two or more resistors are connected end to end, then they are said to be in series. End to end means one resistors added where it ends, then after a new resistors is joined in that circuit. This sort of connection is called end to end. That's why it is a very simple definition. When two or more resistors are connected end to end, they are said to be in series. In parallel combination, net potential remains constant and current varies. Resistors are said to be connected in parallel. Resistors are said to be connected in parallel if the potential difference across each of them is same and equal to the applied potential difference, or when one end of the resistors are connected to one common end point and the other ends are connected to another common point, they are said to be connected in parallel. What are the characteristics? Up to now, you are clear about series and parallel combinations definition. Now I will discuss about the characteristics of series combination. In series combination, the following point should be noted. First, the current is the same in every part of the circuit. In series combination, current is same in the every part of the circuit. The equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of individual resistors. Third characteristics of series combination is total voltage across the combination. Total voltage or potential difference across the combination is always equal to the sum of voltages across the individual resistors. Fourth characteristics, the current in the circuit is independent of relative position of the various resistors used in the circuit. The equivalent resistance is greater than the greatest individual resistors used in the circuit. These are the main characteristics of a series combination. Now we will derive the equivalent resistance for a series combination of resistors. Okay. बढ़िया से
अब इससे बढ़िया से क्या होगा। हो सकता है लिखा हुआ वर्ड पहचान में ना आ रहा हो।